Okay, it's Mark Wiens. I am in Kathmandu, Nepal, and about to eat just some normal, everyday Nepalese food, and it's delicious. Oh, aloo matar. Oh,
aloo matar and chicken.
Masu, okay, chicken matar. Masu.
Yeah, gold bed achar.
Achar. The traditional way to eat is with your fingers, of course. And I'm going to put some of the dal onto the rice, mix in with a little bit of that chili sauce, mix in the rice a little bit. Oh, that's just great home-cooked food. Oh man, that's good. Try the chicken curry. It's called Masu. Masu in Nepali. Oh. That chicken curry. It's fantastic. Oh, this chili sauce is fantastic. So this is just home-cooked Nepalese food here in Kathmandu, Nepal, and it's fantastic. Okay, as I sit here, she's bringing me more and more food. Oh, including like a potato curry, I think a chickpea curry, and a hard-boiled egg, and some re-up on the vegetables, and the acha, which is the chili sauce, which is outstanding. I could actually just eat this chili sauce with rice and be very happy. That is fabulous. Hard-boiled egg, which is actually a soft-boiled egg, and put that over my rice. It just looks insanely good. Grab some of a little bit of the sauce, put that with the egg, some more hot fresh rice. Oh man. Oh.